we will discuss about how to draw a 3D graph. So I draw this thing. So how can I draw this thing? Let's talk about the program. Okay, so we take a scripts and we want to define the graph for this equation, function of xy. It is function of sine x square plus y. So let's take the x value is this one. So the x value will goes to 0 to 1 and it will increase 0.02 in step. And let's take y equals 2x, and for 3D plotting we have to we have to generate mesh grid. So what is mesh grid, I will talk it later. And the surf, when you plot the 3D graph you have to define that this is surf. This is a MATLAB function to define the 3D plot surf, and we will define this function that we want, that means a sine x square plus y, and here we define this x and y uh, through the mesh grid. And so if we run this program it will generate this file, this program, and we can see it in 3D plot. So what is now mesh grid, how it generated? So let's take uh, for generating mesh grid, we say plot this x and y, so and generate it, and it will generate the mesh grid. This is the mesh grid for 3D plot. You see the x and y, the mesh grid. Okay, so now for leveling we comment it. For leveling we say that the x level, y level, and the title is called here. X level name is time, Y level name is amplitude, and title name is simple harmonic oscillation. And run it again and you will see the graph in here. Okay, so you can also edit this graph in there. So click in there and go there and you can select the data file. The file is now selected and you can say that data name is time series, and you can also 2D plot. This is the 2D plot and this is the 3D plot. This is 3D plot, and you can also annotate the line, arrow, and other thing, text arrow or something, text box. You can also define the text box in there. How can like that? This is time bus oscillation. Okay, now save it, file, save as, according to the, okay, it will save the file as a figure. And there is some 3D for 2D float. This is the command, and for 3D float there is some command like surface in 3D, surf, mesh, waterfall. And if you want to show the color bar, the MATLAB function is color bar. Plot 3 defines the curves in space, and p color defines the top view of a colored surface. And for contour plotting you can define the function contour or contour if plotting. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching the video.